Hey guys, Todd with Great Escape Farms here, just showing you my mound of dirt, my mess here, and a clean out that we just put in. So I have a black water system that goes over to my septic tank, and that's what this clean out is. And we didn't know where it went, so I had some plumbers come in and they brought in a device that they removed the toilet, they shoved it up and into the toilet line, into the line going out to the septic, and they found out where it was with a little thing that made noise and had directions or signals and all, showed where it was. So they marked the spot, dug it up, and put this in. I also have a gray water line where the tubs and the sinks go, and I would have figured it would have come out right here, but it didn't. And the device that they were testing with was too large to go down the sink or anything else, so we had to actually go way out there behind the shed, find out where it was, and push it up this way. And we actually found out that it's way over here where the gray water comes out. I would have figured it would have been right next to where the black water is coming out, but it's way over here, so we had that put in. And while we were at it, since I already paid the several $100 charge for the plumber to have his equipment out to chase all this out, I had him chase the downspouts out. So the downspouts come over and they run over this way. And you can see there's one right here, and I put two flags right here. And the reason I did that is because they run up here. So this is actually a T connecting that spot with the house and that spot with the house, or I should say a Y, where it comes in here. And then from here, some of my flags have come apart there, but it makes a straight shot down to the pond where it dumps off. So the reason that I did that is I don't know how deep it is. So the gray water line was only a couple inches down under the soil, so I'm glad to know where that is. And this line, I don't know, and I'm planning on putting a bunch of swales in here this year, so I wanted to know where it was. So I will hand dig around these instead of pulling the tractor and the two-bottom plow across before I put swales in, just so I don't rip up the line. But anyhow, the point of this whole video is there is a way to chase out lines. You'll have to do it with a plumber or something and have them rent the tools. But if you're gonna do it as I was doing it, get it all done at once. And in my case, I got 3 different lines marked out. I have one, my gray water line goes over here, and we actually discovered something when we were doing the gray water line, is it comes out PVC all along here, and right where that flag is, I hope you can see that, right where that flag is right there, it changes over to corrugated black hose for landscape and stuff, and it empties out back there where the pile is, and it had collapsed in several spots. So I actually need to come where that flag is and dig it up and go PVC all the way out. So that will be a future task, and I'll take a video of that. That's it for this video. Please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel, following us on our Odyssey channel. Check out our website, greatescapefarms.com, and please have a wonderful day.